Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel One to Step, and today I'm here with another video to show you guys on how you can change your theme of color of charts on your MetaTrader 5. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video. First of all, go onto your MetaTrader app, making sure that your device has a stable Wi-Fi connection. After you are on your MetaTrader app, click on the three bars which is on the top left corner of the screen, and after that go on to settings. In here, if you scroll down, you can see an option for choose theme on the bottom of the screen. If you click on choose theme, you can see three options, that is system default, light or dark. Now you can change theme to your liking, to wherever you want or whatever you want. And that's how you can change your theme on MetaTrader 5. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.